Creating polished videos can take hours, even days if you're doing it all by yourself. But what if I told you there's a tool that can take a single prompt and turn it into professional, ready-to-post content in just minutes? ChatGPT walls of text? I'll show you something 10 times better for studying. Welcome to Digital Delegator, where I show you how to use AI and smart tools to create content and build passive income. Today, we're diving into Pippit, is an AI agent that turns long text into slides and diagrams automatically. Stick around because by the end, you'll see exactly how Pippit transforms boring text into clear, engaging visuals that make learning 10 times faster. Let's head over to www.pippit.ai and I'll show you how to turn messy notes, textbooks, and handwritten content into clean visual learning slides in seconds. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log in using your Google account or email. Personally, I used our Google account. Now that we're inside the dashboard, let's jump straight into creating something. From the homepage, click on AI Design, then select Nano Banana Pro. This is where the magic happens. Let's start with physics. With Pippit, I can take a physics concept and instantly turn it into a cartoon-style visual explanation. Let's try this prompt. Create an educational cartoon-style physics illustration showing how gravity and motion affect a bouncing ball. Use a simple outdoor scene with a ball being thrown upward and falling back down. Show curved arrows to represent motion, downward arrows for gravity, and energy transfer when the ball hits the ground. Use bright colors, simple characters, clean labels, and a friendly educational layout. Then hit Generate. After minutes, here's the result. Most people use ChatGPT like Google, but ChatGPT can't visualize anything for learning. That's where Pippit changes the game. Now, if you like this image, you can download it. You can also click More Like This to generate similar images. From here, you have options to animate the image to create a video, upscale it for higher quality, or use tools like InPaint, OutPaint, or Erase to edit specific parts of the image or text. Now, let's try animating this image. Here's the result. This video is amazing because it transforms a simple image into a dynamic, engaging animation. The smooth motion, clear visuals, and polished transitions make the content easy to understand and visually impressive. It feels professional, modern, and highly effective for explaining ideas in a short amount of time. Now let's try the textbooks. Textbooks are great, but nobody wants to read walls of text. Let's try this prompt. Create a textbook-style mind map illustration explaining the water cycle. Place water cycle in the center and branch out into evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Use arrows to show the cycle, simple icons like the sun, clouds, rain, rivers, and oceans, and clear labels. Keep the layout clean, organized, and easy to understand. Then hit Generate. Main ideas, subtopics, and relationships, all visualized in seconds. ChatGPT gives you walls of text. Pippit turns everything into visuals. That's why it's 10 times more effective for learning. Now let's turn this to video. Here's the result. This is amazing. The animation really brings the image to life. Now let's try the homework to step-by-step solutions. Write a prompt. Create a step-by-step homework solution illustration showing how to solve a basic math division problem. Break the process into numbered steps using separate boxes. Include arrows connecting each step, clear explanations, simple math symbols, and a final answer highlighted at the end. Use a clean and student-friendly educational design. Then click Generate. Now watch this. It turns homework into a clear, step-by-step solution with diagrams and highlights. Now, let's animate this image. This is an excellent educational video. The step-by-step explanation and engaging visuals make the lesson easy to understand, especially for beginners. Very well done. Let's try the last one for children's stories to illustrated books. And for kids, it turns stories into illustrated picture books. Create a children's book illustration based on a story about a small bird learning to fly. Show multiple moments in one scene. The bird sitting in a nest, practicing with wings, and flying happily in the sky. Use soft colors, expressive characters, gentle lighting, and a whimsical storybook style. Here's the result. ChatGPT explains, Pippit visualizes. And that's why learning feels easier, faster, and more fun. ChatGPT gives you walls of text. Pippit turns everything into visuals. Check the link in the description box and sign up now. New users get free credits plus free trial plus 50% off. If you study or teach, this will save your life. Try it before school starts again. And if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below for more AI videos. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.